Hello and welcome to the Fork channel. Today we're going to make what's referred to as poor man's food. Now poor man's food normally has things like legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, potatoes, things that are sort of less expensive, and this is one of them dishes we ate growing up as children. My father and mother always cooked this meal. It's the good old cannellini beans, and basically you can get them in tins, and you can also, if you do get them dry, you can soak them overnight for at least 8 hours, and you know they come softer when you cook them. But yeah, Lenovo, an Italian brand. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go with some olive oil, trusty old olive oil. So you know how much I love using olive oil, so 2-3 tablespoons. Next we're going to use a diced onion, and you can also refer to one of my older videos where I demonstrate how to slice and dice an onion. So beautiful. I'm going to let this just fry off till we get that nice opaque colour. Okay, keep that moving around. Okay. Next thing is we're going to use some crushed tomatoes. Roughly, you're using about a cup of crushed tomatoes. Again, stirring it through. You can, like I said, you can use garlic if you want. I always find garlic is my friend, but yeah, sometimes it can just overtake a dish. But I do use it. You can use obviously powdered garlic as well. Okay, that's looking lovely. And as that's cooking, we're going to introduce the cannellini beans, and that's 1 tin. Yes, that does look beautiful. Now with this dish, you can add spinach. Actually, my family really love when I add spinach to this dish. You can also serve it. You can serve it with pasta as well. You can also serve it on a bed of rice or a nice crusty bread roll. Okay. Good thing about these crushed tomato tins is they're already pre-cooked, so you know you don't have to cook them for a long time. Next thing we're going to use, as you know, is some macel. There you go. It's a nice, beautiful stock powder. I had. You can actually use chicken stock liquid as well, but I do like the powder. You've got a little bit more control with this. Again, we're going to stir that in, and like I always say, taste as you go. It's no different to, you know, adding salt, adding sugar to dishes. You just always have to have a little taste test, make sure it's the right. Oh. Sorry. Yep, that's just beautiful the way that is. Thanks. Also, some of these cannellini beans, when they're cooked, they're also cooked in salt, so they already come out a little bit salty. Okay, and last but not least, again, not that I grew up, you know, having a lot of cream in our house, but back in the 80s when all the creamy pasta dishes came out, the the mushroom sauce, the steak Diane sauce came out, then we started to see a lot more cream. So cream just basically adds a lot more richness to the dish, changes the colour as well. There you go, and last but not least, a little bit of cracked pepper, and also just a little bit of parsley as well. There you go, you've got that nice flavour of parsley going through it. And really, yeah, I'd let this cook, say, for another, 10 minutes. And yeah, if you're serving, like I said, if you're serving it with pasta, you'd have your pasta already boiling, because this is such a quick dish to make. And yeah, everything is ready to go. So there you go, signing off once again. Thank you very much, and see you on the next channel, and fork you. Thank you. Bye bye.